Most Chrome devices have USB ports. If you have some media files on there, you can use the VLC Player from Android, and that VLC Player will allow you to play pretty much any video file that you want. Is there a USB port? Can I play videos from storage in VLC Player? And does it support torrenting? Yes, most Chrome devices have USB ports. If you're buying a Chromebook or even a Chromebox, which is the desktop version, you can access, like a normal computer, USB ports either with USB-A, USB-C, or maybe even both. Some will even have an HDMI output, so just like a normal laptop with dual screen, you can plug an HDMI cable straight in, but that's a little bit rarer and that's mostly high-end models. If you have a USB-C port, of course, you can very easily plug in a dongle and do dual screen. That's supported on all of the devices because it's supported in the OS. And from there, you can plug in pretty much any screen that you want to. Let's say, for example, if you have some media files on there, you can use the VLC Player from Android, and that VLC Player will allow you to play pretty much any video file that you want, even if it has, different compression formats, different encoding formats. VLC is pretty much a Swiss Army knife. It can do pretty much anything that you want. So big yes, if you want to have media files played on VLC, that does work. And third question here, does it support torrents? Yes, there's a few different ways of doing torrents on a Google Chrome device. You can use a plugin or extension for Chrome. Some of those work in the browser. Or if you have a browser like Brave, I'm not sure if Brave is actually available for Chrome OS. Probably not. Let me double check that. So if you want to get Brave working on Chrome OS, you have to enable Linux for Chrome, which is reasonably straightforward. It's a little bit technical, but it's certainly possible. And there you go. You can go ahead and use Brave. But Brave has torrenting built in. So that's an option for you if you want to use a more native solution rather than a plugin. There are also web-based torrent clients, which give you other options if you're using a Chrome device and you don't want to use anything locally on the machine.
If you liked this video, we've got plenty more on the channel covering this topic and much, much more.